Good morning, everybody. This is Richard back at you. Well, it's back to Fords. Here we go again. This one here is an 05 four-wheel drive, 5.4 motor, 3-valve. Goes to neutral when it goes to third gear. So 50,000, I can't remember. It's 100-something thousand miles on it. I already PB blasted all the bolts. That way we can hopefully get all that stuff out. Looks original, doesn't look like it's ever been touched. Looks like it's had a service done recently. Clean. Looks like we've had a U-joint put in. Looks like our bolts are loose. Look at this. You can see the yoke is moving. Let's see if that bolt's on up. I'm telling you, that yoke is loose. See it? So, luckily we caught that. That could have been bad. But we're gonna get this tranny out real quick. Get it on the bench. See how things are going on the inside. Just about got our Chevelle done. Really excited about it. Got one issue. It's gonna have to go to another shop to be addressed on that part, but what a beautiful car. But guys, the teardown video will be coming short, so y'all stay tuned. Have a great day.